Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be nesting together. Oh my god, please watch this video to the end.
Someone tell me why.
Okay guys, so today, come prepare my baby nursery with me. I have to do this because I'm excited to do this. At the same time, I'm tired. I am stressed. But come prepare my baby nursery with me. I have been waiting for this day for the longest time, and I can't wait to take you guys through the packing, the unboxing, the preparation, the everything, guys. So let's go. Uh-huh. I'm going to be unboxing and packing the diaper in the baby chest. Doing this was so exciting for me. I was so happy doing this because I have really look forward to this day. This is the first time I'm going to be doing or making a video like this. Nest with me. Like, I was super excited, and I'm going to make it all fun for you guys. You see, this particular pregnancy, it came with a whole lot. If you guys want to hear the whole story about this pregnancy, this baby, just drop it in the comment section and I'll make a different video for it. Do you get? So this whole thing for me was so intentional. Oh, Oluwa. This is so cute. This is like a plate, a cup, a spoon, and a fork. Thank you so much. I don't know who gifted me this. Oh God, no name. Whoever this person is, God bless you. Thank you. I'm so grateful. I have so many things, so many things. Even unbox themselves. Look at this. I also got this for my baby shower as well. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I got this. I got this. This is for a newborn. This is for like size 3. These are so cute. Like I got this from my amazing sister. I know who gifted me this one. No, I remember who gifted me this one. Fumi and Taya gifted me these two diapers. Thank you so much, my love. I'm so grateful. I remember who gifted me this. This is so cute. I don't want to remove from the pack here. When baby come, we'll see how this look. It's like a, see what it looks like. You can just lay the baby on the middle like this. So cute. I'm so happy. Yeah. So we are still in the process of packing, repacking, unpacking, and arranging the baby nursery. Shall we? Gift has not finished. Oh. When I say I have amazing friends and family, I'm not playing, I'm not capping. I think this gift came from my friend Cincy. So this was a gift she gifted to Kosi on his birthday. You guys know I have 2 boys that their birthday was in 2nd January. So Cincy gifted them this and this. Thank you so much. She just brought it. So this is for baby. This is for baby. Oh, beautiful. See these socks. I say, baby, we're going to be wearing like 10 socks in a day because socks is everywhere. This is so cute. And another wash cloth as well. So she really wanted it to give birth to a girl. So, but she mixed it with one blue. But I'm so grateful. So thank you so much, Cynthia. I love you, and you know that. Any gift from baby shower I see again, I will sure bring it for you guys to see, because you need to know how wonderful I have good friends and family. Thank you. I just saw this one again. I said gift plenty. Baby get plenty clothes. So plentiful. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. So this person wanted me to give birth to a boy. It's well. The boy club. It also have a, okay, this is also an unzies. So cute. And another socks again. Another socks. It's like a pack of 3 pairs. So we have plenty socks. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Next drawer, we're going to be packing the baby clothes. So I got this particular divider from Temu. on. You see, when I was unboxing that particular divider, this was the essence of me getting that divider. So I wanted to make sure that the clothes were all arranged, and the divider ensures that so no clothes is falling down, no clothes is jumping to the next one. Everything is so organized. I really wanted this whole baby chest to be well organized. It was so intentional for me, seriously. My other babies, their chests are always organized, but I usually find it difficult to get it right in this way. So when I got to find out about this divider, it was so helpful, and I knew it would come so handy. I knew. And this is it. You see the way it's so make everything so organized, so nice. Next drawer, what I have there, you already saw it, the baby cream and the baby wash. So, and they are all from, that's baby lotion and baby wash, they are all from Aveno, and I had a lot, so that will bring last us for at least 3 to 6 months. I don't know, but let's just see how it goes. And see how cozy and cute this place look. And this particular basket. So cute. I love it. I saw it from official Becca's page and I love it so much. I got it from Temu and it's so handy. Anyways, I said to arrange all the things that baby will be needing for changing diaper, wipes, and see the space is coming together. I got a lot of pegs this time around. I don't know why. Anytime I buy peg, the thing will just disappear. I don't know. But this time around, it will not happen because I bought enough. I got like 6 dozens. And before you finish disappearing, I will still have some left. So the idea of this basket was to have it for baby used clothes. So when he's done using them or finish wearing them, I just put it inside this basket, wash, and use the peg to peg them. I got a particular basket from Cinemat and I love it. It came so handy. It came so handy. So guys, I'm about to unbox the baby car seat stroller, but before then I decided to arrange the curtain. And you guys remember this what's it called again, that teddy bear thing I got from Temu? This was why I got it. I wanted to use it to wrap the curtain and see how cute it is. I love it. It did what I wanted it to do. I love it. My husband got me this particular maternity dress, and because my stomach was getting bigger and bigger, but it finally fits and I love it. It's so comfortable. I really do love it. Okay. Oh. So guys, do you know what we're going to do? When my husband comes back, he's going to set this and we are going to see exactly what it looks like. But from what I'm seeing is a car seat stroke a baby stroller. So it's so nice. At this point, I'm done unboxing and packing everything. So let me show you guys what my baby nursery look like. You're welcome to my baby nursery. Baby, I have prepared your space to welcome you and I really can't wait for you to come. So guys, thank you so much for being with me through this arrangement and sorting out my baby nursery. I am super grateful, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, because I know by the time you'll be seeing this video, baby would have been here already, inshallah, by the special grace of God. I promise you guys that this video was going to be so fun and I hope I fulfilled my promise. I hope you enjoy every single bit of this video, guys. I hope you did, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye guys, I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.